Welcome back, everybody. Well, our good friends at Letour sent us this wonderful light, and we're going to take a look at it and its various functions and stuff. You can see a diagram of it. And it's a power bank function, Type C, fast charge input, 360-degree swivel. It's got a hook with a double lock and a multi-angle adjustable with threaded support port, 4-section magnet, intelligent power display. The remaining power can be visually displayed. Power can be replenished in time using highlight LED beads, using German special display LED lamp beads, color rendering RA90, restored true color of goods. Alright. You got it's a light source, charging circuit, large capacity. The remote lighting. Okay. Alright, let's take a look at some of the places it can be used at. Alright, you got a night market stall, reading light, outdoor camping, red and blue flash, mounting bracket, and you've got a strong magnetic description. Alright. So let's get her open and see what this looks like. We'll get it all charged up here a little later and let it get dark and have at it. Alright, get her out of this little sheath there. We got some magnets. Not magnets, part of the manual. There you go. Alright. Really cool. It'll charge your cell phone up. And magnets, hook, high brightness reflectors, Type C charging switch. Alright. Here's your hook. There's your little mount thing. I like this. Alright. You got your little pieces there. There is your USB port there. You could also charge it from there, like you want to charge up your iPhone or whatever else. It's like this, man. Anyway, we're gonna get this thing all charged up and stuff. Alright, here is your switch. Alright, definitely need to get a little bit of a charge, and let me show you this here. Alright, it's got a 76% charge on there, so we'll get that up to 100 and mount it someplace. Alright, here's your little mounting plates. Nice stout little cable. I'll tell you what, this box is, that's a nice box. They sure didn't scrimp on that, did they? Yeah. Alright, come back up in the house here and we're charging it up. You can see a little green lightning bolt there. Let this get up to 100% and let the darkness come on, and we'll give it a good test. It has become dark time, and we are taking a look at our light here, and you can see that it illuminates everything up pretty good. It's about 100 degrees outside, and it's just getting dark, so you can see here a little side thing there telling you how much of a charge you got left. 100%. So we're gonna play with the lights for a minute. Yeah, does a great job. All right. Letour, I'm really impressed with your light here. Be a great little thing to have around in the house or any of those other applications we talked about earlier. Camping, working in the workshop, car, traveling, walking around the block. You can take this thing with you. Anyway, let's turn it off. One more time, we'll take a look at the amount of a charge it has, 100%. All right, everybody, have a great night. Stay cool. All right, well, Letour, I'm gonna give this light a thumbs up. This is a handy little gadget. I like it. That feature where you show just how much juice is left, like it. It's not heavy. Very convenient for just about anything. Excellent.